What's up guys, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to the first tutorial in this complete Premiere Pro 2021 course. In this tutorial, we are going to familiarize ourselves with the interface and some of the basic stuff in Premiere. So the first thing we want to do is obviously launch Premiere and then create a new project. Now there are multiple ways of creating a new project and it's really up to you which one are you comfortable with. You can create a new project by going into the file menu and then clicking new and then project. You can also use the keyboard shortcuts, which is Command, Option, and N key if you're on Mac, and Control, Alt, and N keys if you're on Windows. And you can also use this big button on the main interface if you want to create a new project. Now, regardless of what way you use, you are going to land on this window. Now, at this point, the only thing I want to do is choose a name for my project and then select the location I want to save my project in. So I want to name this project as Getting Started. And then I want to save this one on my desktop. And guys, I'm really not interested in any of the other options on this window because we are going to cover most of this stuff later in the course. Now, as soon as I click on this OK, we are going to land on this screen. Now, don't get scared of this, and if you have never used a dedicated video editing application, then Premiere, sometimes for beginners, it can be a bit overwhelming, but rest assured, all of this will become very clear to you as we progress further in the course. Now, when you open up a new project, the default interface should look like this. You have your source monitor on your left, your preview screen or the program monitor just next to it on the right. In the bottom left, you have your project panel, then next to it is the tools bar, then your timeline, and then finally your audio meter. Now, the source monitor provides you an ability to view your clips or images in here. So any media that you are going to import in Premiere, you can view all of that in your source monitor. So let me just quickly import a new clip in my project. So I can do that just by double clicking here. And I'm going to select this clip, we'll bring it in my project. Now, if I double click on this clip, you will see that the clip will load up in the source monitor. Now I can do a bunch of stuff in here. I can mark my in and out points. I can use the replace edit or insert edit features and a lot of other things as well, which we are going to cover later in this course. Now, just next to your source monitor, you can see your program monitor, which looks very similar to your source monitor. However, it works as a preview screen, as a preview monitor. So when you make changes to your clips, like adding effects, color correcting, color grading, or any other changes that you are going to make on your clips, you will be able to get a preview of all of that in this area in your program monitor. Then on the far left, we have our project panel. This is the area where you can see all of the media that you have imported in your project. Then just next to your project panel is your tools bar. Now this area gives you an ability to select different tools based on what you want to do. In here you have the selection tool, your razor tool, the pen tool, the type tool, and others as well. And I mean, again, we are going to cover all of these later in this course. Now, next to your toolbar is your timeline. This is the place where you are going to be building your sequence, or in simple words, this is the place where you will be kind of editing your clips, adding video or audio tracks, sound effects, or any other changes that you would want to make. You are going to be doing all of that in this space, in this area. And then next to your timeline, you can see your audio meter, which will show you the audio levels within your clips. So guys, that's really all I wanted to cover off in this video. In the next tutorial, we are going to look at how we can import media into our project. So till then, you take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.